Good morning, Donites. Today is 7th of September 2021, Tuesday. हिंदी में हम इसको मंगलवार कहते हैं. Let's begin our morning assembly. Fold your hands, close your eyes for the morning prayer.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी, ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा, हर गीत तुझसे। तू स्वर की देवी, ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा, ये हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे। तेरी शरण हम, हमें तार दे माँ, तेरी शरण हम, हमें तार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, हे शारदे 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 माँ।
Open your eyes and relax. Now, a very special announcement. Our school is observing Swachhta Pakhwada, cleanliness for a fortnight, and in this many activities will be undertaken to highlight the importance of cleanliness. So to start with, it is Swachhta pledge. So my dear student, now raise your right arm and speak the lines after me. Mahatma Gandhi ji had dreamt of an India which was not only free but also free, clean and developed. Mahatma Gandhi ji secured freedom for our Mother India. Now it's our duty to serve Mother India by keeping the country neat and clean. We ought to do that. So my dear students, today you will take Swachhta pledge along with me. You will repeat whatever line I am going to say here. So be ready. Raise your hand to take the Swachhta pledge. I take this pledge
I take this pledge
that I will remain committed
that I will remain committed
towards cleanliness
towards cleanliness
and devote time for this.
and devote time for this.
I will devote 100 hours per year.
I will devote 100 hours per year,
That is 2 hours per week
that is 2 hours per week,
to do voluntary work
to do voluntary work
for cleanliness.
for cleanliness.
I will neither litter
I will neither litter
nor let others to litter.
nor let others to litter.
I will initiate
I will initiate
the quest for cleanliness
the quest for cleanliness
with myself,
with myself,
my family,
my family,
my locality,
my locality,
my village
my village
and workplace.
and workplace.
I believe that the countries of the world
I believe that the countries of the world
that appear to be so clean
that appear to be so clean
are because their citizens
their citizens
don't indulge in littering,
don't indulge in littering,
nor do they allow it to happen.
nor do they allow it to happen.
With this firm belief,
With this firm belief,
I propagate
I will propagate
the message of Swachh Bharat Mission
the message of Swachh Bharat Mission
in villages and towns.
in villages and towns.
I will encourage 100 persons
I will encourage 100%
to take this pledge
to take this pledge
which I am taking today.
which I am taking today.
I will endeavor
I will endeavor
to make them devote
to make them devote
their 100 hours of cleanliness.
their 100 hours of cleanliness.
I am confident that
I am confident that
every step I take towards cleanliness
every step I take towards cleanliness
will help to make my country clean.
will help to make my country clean.
You can put your hands down. Be at ease. Now it's time for thought for the day. Today's thought is given to us by Yugam of class 6th. Listen to it carefully. Very useful.
The thought for the day is when you talk, you are only repeating something you know, but if you listen, you may learn something new. So, my friends, you need to be a good listener.
My dear friends, everyone wants to remain fit, and yoga is the modern keyword to remain fit. So watch this video and follow the asana carefully.
Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. Students, today we will learn Vakar Asana. For this asana, sit in a Dandasana position. Now fold your left leg at your knee and place it on the side of your right knee. Hold your right knee with your right hand and place your left hand on the back of your left side. Look back. Hold for few seconds. Repeat on other side. Release the pose. Benefits of Vakar Asana. Vakar Asana helps to reduce belly fat, improve our digestive system, and most important, reduce shoulder and neck pain. Repeat this asana on your daily basis. Thank you.
आप सबने ये तो जरूर सुना होगा, स्वच्छ और स्वस्थ होगा तभी तो आगे बढ़ेगा इंडिया। तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, साफ रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है और ख़ासकर इस समय पे जब हम घर में अपने बंद हैं। हर समय डर लगा रहता है कि कहीं से ये बीमारी हमारे घर में ना आ जाए। तो ऐसे में एक ही रामबाण है, अपने को और अपने आसपास के पर्यावरण को साफ रखो।